the boarding groups are only for Rise of the Resistance, not the entire land.
So we can actually go into
So we could go into Batuu. Let's go.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, I love it already. We're like not even all the way in there yet.
I know. So cool.
I love it. Like the details on the rocks and everything is awesome.
Right hand side all the way through, please. Thank you.
Now I think a lot of stuff we're not going to get to be able to see because this conglomerate of a line will prevent us from seeing it.
Right.
But I love it.
No, they were working on it.
Now that over there, what we're looking at is Rise of the Resistance. Hopefully we'll get to go check that out later. I love the theming of this. This is awesome. Like, holy crap. Now all this stuff I don't think is here all the time. It might be. I think a lot of this was set up for the special thing this morning and last night.
I think so. YouTube all the time.
Here we go. Like the rock work is amazing. The sun is killer low. Wow, the sun is bad. Like, I don't know where to look first.
On your way.
I love it all. I want to build a little droid.
I know. Wouldn't that be awesome?
One day. There are droids everywhere and all kind of signs that I cannot read. We're gonna go into this place, whatever that place is. Okay, I'm starting to slowly get my bearings. This is the exit to the Droid Factory, which is actually right in here. So I'm not gonna be able to get through. Maybe we can. You pick out all your parts here once you get in, and you come here and you build your droids, and then you own a droid at that point.
That would be awesome.
You could also buy some pre-made ones over here. But we'll see if we could like sneak in here and get a better view. So I can't get past the barrier, but through the magic of Zoom, there's the different parts you could choose from. Create your different droids. As the camera zooms wild. Once you grab all your parts, you come over here to a building station. and you build your droids. They're there to help you build them. That's awesome. Also, again, the theming. I love the theming. Honey, I want to build a droid too, but
Not this trip.
not this trip. Ooh, they even have personality chips, which changes like how your droid communicates with you and things. Their attitude and stuff. That's awesome. I love it. I love everything about it. So the Droid Factory kind of is the entrance into like the market area. Now forgive me because I don't know all the technical names of all this stuff, but yeah, where to look? I don't know where to look, honey.
Everywhere. You gotta look everywhere.
Wow. Well, hey guys.
Well, hello.
It's future us here. And we had to stop the video here to insert some pictures. Just because when we first got to Batuu, like we were all in shock and amazement and didn't know what to look at and what to record, and we were taking all kind of pictures that didn't really tell you we were taking all kind of pictures, and there was no real spots to put any pictures. So we created a spot right here to put all the pictures that we took to this point. I think after this point we kind of start like saying, hey, we're going to take a picture here, and hey, we're going to take some pictures there. But yeah, here are some pictures of the first, I'd say like maybe 20 minutes we were in Batuu.
Probably.
There's a lot of stuff to look at.
Oh yeah.
A lot of pictures coming up too. So I hope you enjoy them. Okay, babe, your unofficial do not follow guide leaders here messed up again. That is not the market. That's just a walkway and restrooms.
You're having a rough time, babe.
I am having a rough time. Didn't even have any. But that, I don't know what it is, but it is awesome looking. I mean, I know what it is. Oh, like my brain's not even functioning. It's just in overload mode. Oh my lord. Like, I can't even like process what I'm seeing fast enough. This is sweet. Like, I watched videos of them building all this stuff, and like to actually see it is amazing. And I think the sun in the background makes it even like that much better. Okay, we got some awesome pictures in front of that. People are so nice. They will just, you know, offer to take pictures of us together, and yeah, everyone's so friendly. I love it. Wonder what's in this bunker. More merchandise. Like, I want to buy everything. I do think at some point we should get a pin for the backpack.
Yeah, probably.
Because that's like the main reason we came here. These figures, I want all of these figures. Oh. And if I had kids, we'd be in trouble if we had kids.
I know.
We'd be buying everything.
I know.
Honey,
What?
are you ready for your first Star Wars real experience?
I mean, this is all pretty real.
We haven't had breakfast yet.
Well, we haven't.
What do you drink for breakfast?
Milk.
Want some blue milk?
Yes, please.
Or maybe green milk?
Yes, please.
Oh, we got to try this.
We do.
We're gonna get ourselves some milk. So they don't deal in money here, they deal in credits. Everything is credits. So I think we're gonna get one of each, 8 credits each. That's not bad. So this is what we're dealing with on our typical Disney trash can table.
It's a fun theme.
But it's a fun theme trash can table. Blue milk is
Berry, I
berry.
want to say.
Green milk is citrus.
Tropical, yeah.
Tropical.
Citrus
Okay,
tropical.
you're gonna
I could be doing this wrong. I don't remember.
Okay, either way, you're doing green first. Only because it was in your hand.
Okay. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it. Why is it chunky?
I got nothing. I got nothing.
I mean, the flavor's there a little.
Okay. Let me try the blue milk,
Okay.
and then we'll switch. Okay, blue milk time.
Oh, we can't climb up these little mountains.
It's a weird texture. But my gosh, is it good.
Is it?
It's a weird texture, but
It is. It's like ice chunks or something. I don't know. It's like a blue milk slushie.
Try that. Oh my gosh, I like that. I've heard a lot of people saying green is better,
I like the blue better.
but I so far like the blue. Here, let me try the green. I don't mind either of them.
So I like the blue better.
I like the blue better, but I don't mind either of them. Yeah, I
Not bad.
like it. Well, while we drink our milk, we're just going to do a, a acoustic time lapse of people hanging out in Galaxy's Edge.
How is it? I like the blue better. Is it worth getting?
Good though. Yes.
It is worth it. Like, I don't know. I would have only got one. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks.
We only did one thing once.
Sending data to the resistance. Drop that data back. If it transmits, block it.
There's an encryption matrix, sir.
Handle it, trooper.
Yes, sir. That
Out of
went
my
poorly. Hope you have a good day.
I love how they just roam around and like pick on people. It's awesome. I don't know what's going on down in that little hole there, but it is noisy. Okay, let's move on a little bit farther into Galaxy's Edge, or Batuu. This over here, what we're looking at is Olga's Cantina. There's quite a line to get into there. We may check that out later, but there's something else I've been waiting for 2 years to go do, and it is right ahead of us. Like, look at the little plants and stuff on the spires.
The theming is just agile.
I know. Like, my gosh. This is an entire city just like built out of nowhere. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, yes.
I've been waiting for this moment since I heard this was going to be here. There she is. Yep, it is.
Oh my gosh, that looks gorgeous.
The Millennium Falcon. Oh, and it's like angelic with the sun behind it. Oh. This. Holy crap. My gosh. That is awesome looking. There we go, out of the sun.
It's amazing.
Like, this whole thing is just amazing. I love it. I love this picture that I just took of you before you got in trouble for standing on that thing. Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm talking here. Dude, stormtroopers are so rude. Jeez. So before we ride Smuggler's Run, which we're going to do here next, we're going to jump up here to get some awesome pictures of the Millennium Falcon.
Yes.
Now this is an awesome shot of the Millennium Falcon. I love it. They're also taking pictures here, so we're going to get in line to do that. If you want this awesome shot, this is the best shot during the day, we were told.
Yes.
It is right outside Oguskin, or the docking bay, sorry. We'll check that out later in the day. In the evening, we're told, down here is a better spot to take the picture. So we got some awesome photos that we, of course, will put in the vlog. I think this is cool. That black box right there on that balcony is a super zoom camera that does some awesome effects. We'll put that in here too. Now it's selfie time. Well, now that we got all those pictures and we're putting them all in the video and you're all pictured out, we were going to do Smuggler's Run, which is this ride right here, next, but we're both kind of hungry. We are right here by the docking bay. Let's grab some food real quick, then we'll do Smuggler's Run. Okay, docking bay breakfast ends at 9.
But which, I'm kind of confused. Doesn't the park open at 9 normally?
Yeah, I don't.
It's 9:30.
I don't get that. Something's weird there. Either way, the market has breakfast until 10. We don't really want to check out the market yet. We want to do that later, but we're going to jump ahead, get breakfast, then come back, then we'll do the market later. If
Okay.
that make any sense? Probably not.
Whatever.
Probably not.